What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Thanks for watching the video. Today I've got a great accessory for your 5th gen 4Runner brought to you by lexland.com. Let's unbox it and get to the install. All right, let's open this up, see what we have. Okay, looks like we have Lexland warranty and support information, phone numbers, who to call. And then this has your QR codes here for your video and install manual to show you exactly how to install these. This is the side mirror LED turn signals and installation. So you got that. Inside the box, we've got a pry tool that they sent. And then we have the turn signal lights themselves. And there you go. It's got the smoke. It looks like it has the smoke tint to it. So very cool. This should be a very easy install and very quick. I'll give you that little bit of frosting on the cake, if you know what I mean. All right, first thing you want to do is get your pry tool, get under the lip here on this outer edge, and you're going to go ahead and pry up. Next thing we want to do is take these 2 Phillips screws out, and we'll set those to the side somewhere where they're not going to get lost. Alright, looks like all we got to do is unplug this. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take our new turn signal from lexland.com, plug it in. Okay, it's plugged in now, and you'll see these tabs right here. There's teeth inside the hole that are going to grab onto that. So we just got to line it up and pop them in. So, okay, we're going to get the base cover back into position. We'll go ahead and put the screws back in their position there. Snug it up. Now we will go ahead and pop the cap back on. Bam. One side done, let's do the other one. Uh-oh. That one's in there real good. There we go. To release. Just like that. So now we just need to unplug it. Just like that. Put the new one in just like so. That's going to go right into the slot. And you just press it in until you hear that click. Okay, take our protective plastic off. There we go. And the cap goes back on. Boom. All right, so let's take a look at how they look. I like how it bulges out a little bit. Looks real clean. Show you the other side. There you go. All right, now we'll just put the hazards on and see what they look like. See if they turned out right. There you go. I love, okay, so if you have aftermarket headlights like I do, I have these Morimotos, that's exactly the look I was going for. I have the sequential on the headlight, and now I've got the sequential over on my side view mirror. And I think that just looks awesome. Look at that. It all goes together just like it should. guys, that's going to wrap another video. I hope you enjoyed it. Super easy install, and I think that it just gives you that little bit of extra cool factor, especially if you've got like Morimoto's and it can sync up the sequential with those two. Awesome. If you're interested in getting these turn signal lights, use the promo code Kevin20. Thanks once again to lexland.com for sponsoring this video, and we'll see you guys out on the road.